We have a 2003 GMC Yukon 4-wheel drive with a 5.3 liter. This is the fuel pump that we installed. Got it from local parts store. That's available all over. These are the instructions for wiring it that come with it. This one, for our model, did not work. Don't use this one. We used this one up here. It also says for some newer models. So this is the one that you want to use for wiring it. Here's the wiring. The tape is, there are butt slices underneath and they're shrink tubed, but I just added an extra layer of safety so you can see the wiring from the SUVs down here. These are the colors, and then they match these guys up here for this cord. The small black, if you have two blacks, we had a large black and a small black, solid. The small black goes to the black and orange. Then you have a large black from your harness, goes to the solid black. Then your small purple goes to your purple, and your gray goes to gray. So this worked out. Once again, this is the one you want to use, not this one for an 03 Yukon. That is a 5.3 gas, not a flex fuel. It's the 5.3 gas. Use this one right here, not that one. I can't stress this enough. That's it.